Welcome to Nusfat's Edusphere Kids Class with Nusfat Jahan. A. A for apple. A for ant. A for ass. A for X. A for art. B. B for ball. B for bat. B for book. B for boy. B for bag. C. C for cat. C for cow. C for cup. C for cap. C for carrot. D. D for dog. D for door. D for deer. D for doll. D for duck. E. E for egg. E for eye. E for eagle. E for ear. E for elephant. F. F for fish. F for fruit. F for fan. F for fox. F for fat. G. G for goat. G for gun. G for girl. G for glass. G for grapes. H. H for hen. H for hat. H for hand. H for horse. H for house. I. I for ink. I for ice cream. I for ice. I for iron. I for igloo. J. J for jar. J for jug. J for jump. J for juice. J for jeep. K. K for kite. K for key. K for king. K for knee. K for knife. L. L for lion. L for leg. L for lemon. L for lamp. L for leaf. M. M for mango. M for man. M for mat. M for map. M for moon. N. N for nut. N for net. N for nose. N for nest. N for nail. O. O for owl. O for orange. O for onion. O for ox. O for olive. P. P for pot. P for pet. P for pen. P for pen. P for parrot. Q. Q for Quran. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for quail. Q for quiet. R. R for rose. R for red. R for red. R for road. R for rain. S. S for sun. S for sun. S for soap. S for spoon. S for sheep. T. T for tiger. T for tree. T for tomato. T for tap. T for top. U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. U for up. U for ugly. U for unhappy. V. V for van. V for violin. V for violet. V for village. B for bus. W. W for wall. W for water. W for watermelon. W for whale. W for wheel. X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas. X for Xerox. X for xylophone. X for Xebec. Y. Y for UU. Y for yellow. Y for yam. Y for yolk. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zero. Z for zip. Z for zinc. Thank you.